Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this moment, today we'd like to share our society empowerment program conducted by myself and my colleague, Dr. Lili Suryani, with the title Improving the Skills of Johor Peduli Volunteers in Treating Broken Bones in Traffic Accident Victims. For the introduction, Johor Peduli Sukoharjo Volunteers is a humanitarian organization founded by few people, young people who often provide first aid in emergency case for victim natural disaster, COP equation, and the other. Along with the increase in humanitarian activities, this organization has several obstacles due to limitation in terms of expertise or skills. The skill of volunteer members in carrying out first aid measure for traffic accident victims are still very limited and do not comply with correct medical procedures. The aim of this community service is to increase the knowledge of Johor volunteer members who care about the first aid for victims of broken bones and to increase the skills of volunteers in placing splints. For the methodology, this method of community service activities is carried out through educational technique in the form of lecture and training in the form of simulation and demonstration regarding first aid for traffic accident victims who have broken bones. And then we have counseling, question and answer discussion. And then for the last, we have pre-test and post-test evaluation. For the result and discussion, counseling and training activities were held on Saturday, February 24, 2024 at Johor Village. We have 50 counseling participants, consists of the head of Johor Village, head of Sukoharjo Police Traffic Unit, Babinsa, and the other community. The majority of participants were 30 until 40 years old and had a high school education. PKM teknologi tepat guna in treating broken bones in traffic accident victims can increase the level of knowledge of Johor Peduli volunteer members by 28% and skills by 100%. For the discussion, volunteers have never received training on how to splint fracture cases. Volunteers do not yet have the equipment to help victims of bone injuries. Result of discussion, how to determine which victim should be helped first if a mass accident occurs, and how to help victim with head injury and the others. Frequent training is needed to improve the skill and knowledge of Johor Peduli volunteers. And this following video show a summary of appropriate technology PKM activities. For the conclusion and recommendation, PKM teknologi tepat guna in treating broken bones in traffic accident increase the level of knowledge of Johor Peduli volunteer members by 28% and skills by 100%. Participants will understand how to provide first aid to victims who have broken bones. People who are active in emergencies, especially in case of broken bones, are required to have basic skill in placing splints so that fracture victims who are helped receive appropriate and correct treatment. Assistance and supervision need to continue to be carried out by the police, medical staff, and related agencies so that people who care about the first aid to accident victim become confident and have a high sense of self-confidence. Nevertheless, we want to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and LPM UMBA who funding the community service and for the chairman and member of the Relawan Johor Peduli who have actively participate in this community service. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you UMI ada masyarakat berdaya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.